In this video, we're going to take a look at the circumference and area of circles when we are given the radius. So in this first example here, we've got a radius of 6, and on that one, let's calculate the circumference. To be able to do that, we need to have the formula of capital C circumference is equal to 2 pi r. All right, so this is no more than taking that radius of r and plugging it in. So we'll have C equals 2 times pi times the 6 for the radius, which will give us an answer of 12 pi. All right, now if they do want a decimal approximation from that instead of just a 12 pi, then you would approximate pi out to whatever your textbook tells you to do. So let's just go out to like 3.1416, and then you'd use a calculator to multiply that, and you would get about 37.699. So pretty straightforward there, calculation on your circumference when given the radius. All right, here on the second example, let's say we have a radius of 5, and this time we want to find the area. Again, we need that formula, so capital A for area equals pi r squared. So then I'm going to substitute in the radius of 5, so I'll have pi times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so I'm going to write that in front of my pi, so it'll look like a 25 pi. If you are good to leave your answer in terms of pi, then that would be it. If not, and you need to approximate it, then we're again going to use that 3.1416 number for pi, just out 4 places there. Using a calculator, then that'll give you an area of 78.54 approximately. So 2 pretty straightforward examples there of finding circumference and finding area of a circle when given radius. All right, I did not include any labels on these answers because the original problems did not have labels. All right, if this was inches, your circumference would be in inches. If this was inches, your area would be in square inches. So just dependent upon what your textbook does there as far as rounding, leaving it in terms of pi, or with your labels. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.